Hey, I wanted to make a video to share with you how to use your Youth Ageless Wands and to show where it fits in the whole skincare regimen that I use and that I recommend, which is the Youth Anti-Aging Skincare line. This is a 4-step program, and I'm going to show you where this fits. So I just got out of the shower where I cleansed with the Luminous Gel Oil Cleanser, and then the next step is to use your toner, and I use the Perfecting Skin Toner, which is also hydrating and exfoliating. Great combo. After you tone, that's when you do your wand. So I'm going to give you a little demo. So you can start with your eye wand. This is specially designed for that gentle area around your eyes, and the way that I apply it is you push the pump here. If it's brand new, you have to prime it. You have to push it until you see the serum come out. Once you do, it'll just come out. And then what you do is use the roller ball to apply to the crow's feet area underneath your eyes. And then also I like to use it here on the brow bone to give a little lift. And this is going to help with any fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. It'll help with those circles, and it'll help give you a little lift. So really amazing, fun product. I've loved using this, so simple. And that cooling ball is amazing. This is the face and neck wand, and same, you're gonna need to pump it up until you get the serum the first time, and then it's just one pump. And that releases plenty of serum to do your entire face. I start in my most defined area that I'm working on, my area of opportunity, which is my 11s and my forehead. And then I work my way to this area. And you know, it really depends where your lines are. And I personally like to do a second pump to work on my neck and my décolleté. Now, the beautiful thing about this is when this runs out, then this has a refillable, you can order the refillable cartridge and you just replace that cartridge. That's going to save you some money, but it also is going to, you know, be good for the environment. We're not putting as much waste out there. And that is how you use the wands. Now, the next step is any kind of serum, whatever your favorite serum is. I change it up. I use different ones. So I use the hydrating serum often, especially in the wintertime. And then at night, I like to use our anti-aging serum. And I also like our Pomifera rose oil. So pick a serum, put it on, or use all of them. And then you want to moisturize and protect. So I have a daytime moisturizer that has an SPF of 15, and then I have a rich night moisturizer that I use at night. If you have any questions on how to use these wands and integrate them into your current skincare routine, just send me a message. I'm happy to help you.